What is Inaq? Inaq refers to the integration of Naqli knowledge and Aqli knowledge. Naqli knowledge is based on revealed Islamic sources such as the Quran, Hadith and Islamic principles, while Aqli knowledge refers to the rational, scientific and technical knowledge gained through research, observation and human reasoning. In product development, Inaq is important because it ensures that a product is not only innovative and marketable, but also halal, safe, clean, ethical, and beneficial to the consumers. Inaq is important because it helps ensure that the product fulfills both halal requirements and modern consumer expectations. From the Naqli perspective, the product should be prepared using halal ingredients, clean processing methods, and responsible food handling. This is important because the product targets halal food consumers and contribute to safe and clean label nutrition. From the Aqli perspective, Rustic applies food science knowledge to improve the product quality and safety. So, the objective of Inaq for the product development is first, to explain the concept of Inaq as the integration of Naqli and Aqli knowledge in product development. Second, to show how Rustic applies halal, toib, safety, quality and hygiene principles in its formulation and preparation. And third, to demonstrate how Inaq can guide the development of a product that benefits and contributes positively to the Ummah.
In this slide, I will explain the concept of Inaq. Inaq stands for the integration of Naqli and Aqli knowledge. Naqli knowledge refers to the guidance from the Al-Quran and Sunnah, while Aqli knowledge refers to the scientific knowledge gained through the research, experimentation, and technology. In the development of our roasted chicken sandwich, both types of knowledge were applied together. Naqli knowledge guides us to ensure that all ingredient and processing methods comply with the halal principle. At the same time, Aqli knowledge helps us to formulate the product, improve its quality, and evaluate its safety through the scientific method. By integrating these two sources of knowledge, roasted is not only delicious and innovative, but also halal, safe, and beneficial for customers. Next, let's look at the theories and principles of Inaq. The first principle is integration of Naqli and Aqli knowledge. Naqli provides ethical and Islamic guidance, while Aqli contributes to scientific evidence and technological innovation. Together, they ensure that the roasted is developed responsibly. The second principle is halal and tayyiban. This means the product must not only be halal but also clean, safe, nutritious, and high of quality. Therefore, we have carefully selected halal ingredients and ensure the proper food safety practice. And the third principle is ethical innovation. For example, we use rosemary as a natural antioxidant to improve product quality instead of relying on the artificial preservative. Lastly, Inaq promotes sustainability and human well-being by extending the shelf life of the roasted. We can reduce food waste while providing the consumer with a healthier and a more sustainable ready-to-eat meal. So next, let's discuss the role of Inaq in the development of roasted chicken sandwich. First, Inaq guide our product formulation. We combine chicken, rosemary, tofu skin, and cabbage based on the scientific research while ensuring that every ingredient is halal. Second, Inaq emphasizes food safety. We carried out the microbiological testing and the results show no microbial growth during the chill storage, indicating that the product remains safe and maintain its quality. Third, Inaq encourage the sustainable innovation. Using a natural ingredient as a clean label preservation strategy helps extend the shelf life and reduce the food waste. In addition, roasted is designed for a student and working adult who need convenience, nutritious, and halal ready-to-eat meal. Overall, roasted demonstrates how the integration of Islamic value and modern science can produce a product that benefits the consumer, support the halal industry, and contribute positively to society and the ummah.
Okay, next I will explain about how the Inaq relates to the product development. I will focus on three main aspects. Okay, first, food product and also quality. Inaq teach us that food must be halal and also tayyib, which means lawful, clean and also good for health. This covers the whole process, which from choosing raw materials to preparing and also to packaging. For example, the ingredient must be halal certified, the cooking process must be clean, and the packaging must protect from the food from any contamination. By following this step, the product will have a consistent taste, nutrition, and also safety. The second one is innovation and also ethics. Innovation means that creating a new ideas and also improving the existing products. Inaq supports the innovation, but it reminds us that it must be ethical. This means we can use the modern science and technology to make the food healthier, more sustainable and also more convenient, but we must also respect the value like honesty and also responsibility. For example, reducing fat in a recipe or maybe adding more nutritious ingredients is innovation, but it also ethical because it benefits consumer health. Finally, the last one is consumer acceptance. When the product follow the Inaq principle, consumer will be feel more confident. They trust the product because it is safe, high quality, halal, and also produced with integrity. At the same time, innovation make the product more attractive and also suitable for the modern lifestyle. This combination can help build a trust, loyalty, and also can increase the chance of success in the market potential. In conclusion, Inaq connect to the three important aspects, which is quality and safety, ethical innovation, and also consumer acceptance. By applying this principle, product development become not only scientific, but it also meaningful because it also follow the Islamic principle that creating food that is safe, innovative, and also trusted by the consumer.
Moving on to the background of the product development, our product is a ready-to-eat chilled sandwich inspired by traditional Malaysian ayam percik. It was developed to address the short shelf life issue of existing chilled sandwiches. The product uses a rosemary-infused percik sauce as a natural preservative and a dual moisture barrier of tofu skin and cabbage to reduce sogginess, resulting in a clean label, halal-friendly product with an extended refrigerated shelf life. For the product background, our product combines the familiar flavour of ayam percik with the convenience of a Western-style sandwich. The main innovation is the rosemary-infused percik sauce, which provides natural antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Together with the 5-layer texture and premium packaging, Roche offers a unique, safe and enjoyable ready-to-eat meal. Target consumers of our product is designed for students, busy working adults, ready-to-eat meat consumers, sandwich lovers, and halal food consumers. It is positioned as a convenient, nutritious, and filling meal that offers a unique local fusion flavor while remaining affordable. And for the product formulation design, the sandwich consists of white bread, chicken, rosemary percik sauce, cabbage, and tofu skin. Each ingredient has a specific function, with the sauce acting as a natural preservative, while the cabbage and tofu skin form a dual moisture barrier to prevent soggy bread. This innovative formulation helps to improve product quality and extend shelf life without using artificial preservatives.
Next is application in product development. We choose rosemary as a natural preservative. Scientifically, rosemary contains antioxidant and antimicrobial compounds that help extend shelf life. From the Inaq side, using natural herbs reflect the tradition of prophetic medicine. We also designed a moisture control layering system. Technically, this manages water activity to prevent spoilage, and Islamically, it reflects itqan, doing work with precision and avoiding israf or wastage. Second, quality consideration. We were guided by the concept of tayyib, food that is wholesome and good quality, not just halal. Choosing natural ingredients over synthetic preservatives help us meet that standard while also matching what consumers want today, which is clean label products. Third, safety consideration. On the scientific side, we rely on HACCP principles and microbiome testing to keep the product safe for aeons shelf life. On the Islamic side, safety is also an obligation, which is cleanliness is described as half of faith, and Islamic teaching reminds us that no harm should be caused to others.
Okay, so our product introduces several innovations compared to a conventional chicken sandwich. First, we use rosemary extract as a natural preservative. Rosemary contains natural antioxidant and antimicrobial compounds that help maintain product freshness while reducing the need for artificial preservative. Secondly, the sandwich features a rosemary-infused percik mayonnaise, which combines traditional Malaysian percik flavor with a modern sandwich concept. This gives our product a unique taste that stands out from existing sandwiches in the market. Another in, Another innovation is our dual moisture barrier system. We place tofu skin and cabbage between the bread and filling to reduce moisture transfer. This helps prevent the bread from becoming soggy and maintain a better texture during storage. In addition, our product follows a clean label approach, using simple and familiar ingredients that make consumers' growing preference for more natural food products. So for future improvement, we plan to extend the shelf life further, improve the packaging design, and develop new flavor variations while maintaining the same quality and food safety standards. Okay, next, expected market potential. We believe roast chick has strong market potential because the demand for ready-to-eat meals continues to increase, especially among students and busy working adults who prefer convenient yet nutritional food. Based on our sensory evaluation, consumers showed positive acceptance of the product. Most respondents indicated that they would be willing to purchase the sandwich if it were available on the market. Since our product uses halal ingredients and combines local Malaysian flavors with a modern ready to eat concept, it has the potential to attract both local consumers and international halal market. Roasted can be commercialized through supermarkets, convenience stores, university cafeterias, cafes, vending machines, food delivery platforms, and online food services. With its unique flavor, clean label formulation, and extended freshness, we believe roast chick has good potential to compete in the growing ready-to-eat sandwich market. In conclusion, roasted is more than just a chicken sandwich. It combines innovation, food safety, convenience, and Malaysian culinary identity into one ready-to-eat product. By using natural preservation through rosemary and our dual moisture barrier system, we are able to improve product quality while maintaining freshness and reducing food waste. The positive consumer acceptance and growing demand for convenient, clean label food suggests that roast chick has promising commercial potential. Overall, our product demonstrates how innovative can be applied to create a practical, nutritious, and marketable food product that meets the needs of today's consumers. Thank you.